Hi, boys and girls. Today we are starting with a new tool called iReady. Maybe you've heard of iReady before, maybe you have not, but this is a new learning tool that we're going to be using for the next at least 3, possibly a little longer, 3 weeks of school. As you see, iReady is a program for reading and math. Right now, obviously, we're just focusing on the reading and writing workshop. Usually iReady works differently when we're in the school building. However, we're doing an adapted version of it while you are at home. These Google Slides are available to you on the Canvas page so that you have all of these links right here so that you or that your parents can further study iReady and see the benefits of working with this online learning tool. Okay. When you begin iReady, you're going to use the link that's on the Canvas page. It's up here. I've already messaged you on Canvas the username and password that you're going to be using. It is the first initial of your first name and the first initial of your last name. For example, the C in Christine, the S in Silva, and then your student ID number. So it's different for every student. Every student's password is the word student. And again, I messaged every student individually on Canvas as a reminder of what your username and your password is. So you're going to put in your username, you're going to put in the password, everyone's going to put in the state of New Jersey, and that's how you're going to log into iReady. When you get on iReady, I got to click. You're going to see a page that looks like this. It's going to say, welcome Christine, or welcome whoever you are. You're going to select reading. You're going to have 2 choices. I don't believe you're going to have any math lessons, but you are going to have a reading lesson. You're going to click on that reading lesson, and today you're going to have a vocabulary lesson, and then at the bottom, as you see, you're going to have a to-do list, a progress list on your to-do list, and then my stuff. The first lesson, everybody's getting the same. Like I said, it works differently when we're in the school building and you take a diagnostic test, but that is not going to happen this year. However, I'm going to take a look at the results from your first few activities, and if you master the activity, you're going to move higher up in the levels. If you do not master an activity, you're going to get a reteaching of that activity at a similar level or possibly a lower level, depending upon where you fell in the grading. Where you fell in the mastery, or if you were not proficient or below proficiency. Okay, so that's pretty much what we're going to be doing, at least for the next 3 weeks of school. After you click on the assignment, it's going to go through it. You're going to hear it, so please make sure you have a set of headphones on while you're using iReady. You're going to listen to the assignment. You're going to read the assignment in front of you. You want to use the green arrows to help you get through the program, to help you get through the lesson. The iReady is going to show you how much more you have to go, if you have 50% left, if you have 10% left, so they'll keep track for you on the bottom, okay? So like I said, that's pretty much a little intro to iReady. If you have any questions, please message me on Canvas or on email. I'm going to start slow with the 1 lesson today. The lessons usually range from maybe 16 to, I think the highest one I saw was 30 minutes, but I'm not going to give you any of those yet. Maybe 16 to 22 minutes in length. So that's pretty much falls into definitely lower than what we should be working on each period. So please make sure you work on you're getting a completion grade, you're getting a comprehension grade for this. I want to see if you can, what your ability is with these skills. Okay? Have a great day. Be safe. Goodbye.